influencer when I grow up because I've got the looks and the personality.
Okay, thanks, Avery. Now let's have Priscilla. Go next.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, Avery.
Nice job, pepperoni face.
Pepperoni.
All right, settle down, class.
When I grow up, I actually also want to be a beauty influencer so that I can...
Wait, what? You want to be a beauty influencer? But you've got pimples all over your face.
Avery, that's not nice.
I know, but I want to show people that it's your imperfections that make you beautiful.
What would you know about beauty? Maybe you should just deliver pizzas, pepperoni face.
Avery, that's enough.
Good one.
So embarrassing.
Hey guys, it's Priscilla the Pimple Popper, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about moisturizing your skin.
Look what we have here, ladies. It's Pizza Face Priscilla recording a beauty tutorial.